Hey, it's Cooking with Kevin. Thursday night. Kind of little lazy sort of cooking. There's not a lot involved with the prep that we have. Got some chicken breasts we're going to barbecue. We have some Zen Garden vegetables we're going to cook up. We're going to do a stir fry with those. We're not adding the chicken in. We got some basmati, I can never say it. Basmati rice. Okay. And we got some honey garlic sauce that we're going to do with the chicken. But we're going to be making a roux up to thicken the honey garlic sauce. So once we're on our way to doing this, we'll bring you back.
All right, so Lloyd wants to show you how he's going to make his plate up.
Hello.
So what are you going to do?
We did not tell you about this because I didn't know. So, I'm gonna save these.
You're going to save that for last? Okay, so
I have these.
you want some cheese slices on your plate. You're having a mismatched plate full of food today, aren't you? What's going in the oven? Pizza bites.
Yeah, pizza bites.
Yeah.
Which
But Papa's cooking those, aren't you?
No, we can show you them. We can show you them when they're frozen. So, I don't know what they are. Where are they?
They're on the stove, waiting for you.
They're still waiting for me, so maybe after we'll show you.
We'll show them on your plate when you're all done.
Yeah, we'll show you.
Okay.
So that's all I have to do for it.
Still a little piece. All right. Okay, you can unwrap the other piece later. Let's go on and show.
These are unwrapped
Yeah.
later. Because you already know how.
Yeah.
And if you didn't see how to, look carefully. You won't notice, but yeah, a little bit of that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What next?
And snap peas.
Snap peas.
Which I'll wash.
Yep.
Got 2 handfuls of cold water.
Yep.
Well, make sure to wash them in cold water.
Hmm? All right. And you can put them right here on the paper towel if you want, so you don't get the water on your plate.
Yeah.
All right.
And now I'm gonna get another handful and do it again.
No, you don't need 2 handfuls because you got your green beans too. Okay, just one more. Because you want to eat it right now. Okay. What else are you putting on your plate?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. Cherries.
Which I could not do because I had
You use a sharp knife. You're right. And the cherries are already washed.
Yeah. Which I'm gonna wash them again.
No, you don't have to wash them again. They're already washed. That's why they're in a container, because we've already washed them. So you can put a few on your plate. No, just do this. There you go. All right. Now, what do you got to teach them?
I'm gonna teach you something so easy. So see these?
What are they called?
They're called what?
Green beans.
They're called green beans.
And what do you do to the ends?
And I'll show you what we do to the ends.
What's it called?
It's called green beans.
Snap the ends off.
Snap the ends off, which I'll show you how to do later. So you're probably wondering what I'm gonna say they taste like. They basically taste like these snap peas.
They do taste similar, don't they?
They do taste like snap peas. So this and this, they don't look the same, but
they taste similar.
They taste similar, but this one's more lighter green. This one's more darker green.
Mm-hmm.
And same with snap peas, you must wash them.
Exactly.
Which
Okay.
me and Mama Kelly didn't wash.
Okay. Show them how you snap them.
I'll show you how you snap them. So you're probably wondering how to do that. You just go like that.
Yep. Just take off the ends.
As simple as that.
Perfect, dude. And that's it. Now you can put it on your plate.
Yeah.
So you're going to do that to the... Oh, you can put it in your mouth. So you're going to do that to the rest of them, right?
Yeah.
All
And
right.
I just figured something out.
Okay. So we'll bring you back when Papa's ready to show him what we're doing with our food, right?
Yes, and I might be helping.
Yes. All right.
Here we go. Chicken little flip. Looks delicious. Okay. So this is our nice, delicious vegetables. And this is the finished product. We have our chicken with our honey garlic sauce and the vegetables on the rice. And Kelly's got plum sauce because we cooked her up some spring rolls. So we'll bring you back at the table for the taste test.
So Lloyd, what is finished on your plate? You got your.
So you saw this.
You saw the cheese.
Yeah, you saw the cheese. And you didn't see this. You didn't see this.
Papa barbecued the chicken.
Papa barbecued the chicken, which you saw.
Mm-hmm.
And you saw these.
And you got pizza bites.
You saw these.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
And these. You
Yeah.
heard that these taste exactly like this, and this one's not washed.
Yes, it is.
No?
All right, Papa's turn.
Okay.
Now, our lighting is horrible at this time of day in this part of our house. So, you're dipping your chicken.
Yeah, my chicken. Sorry, it's hot.
Yummy, yummy.
This is yummy.
Very yummy.
So, there's my plate now with the spring rolls. So, there you have. Here. Thursday night cooking with Kevin.
I forgot what milk.
Yes.
Because I see.
So, we'll see you next week on Cooking with Kevin. Well, see you before then, but. All right.
You know what?
Bye-bye. Okay.
Okay, so we're making our roux for the honey garlic sauce. So basically all we're doing here is we're just melting the butter down.
Hi, Brenda.
Yeah.
Kevin's thinking of you. And we have entertainment. Yeah.
Thumbs up if you like entertainment.
Okay, so we're just gonna add.
You got some on the stove.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that.
Why don't you use the whisk instead of that spoon?
Yeah, way better. Even though it knows
So basically, you just want it to thick a little bit.
Put a little more flour.
Yeah.
Say hi, Brody. Our lovely recycling boxes.
Yeah. Brody's like, these recycling boxes are mine. They're mine.
I put a little more flour.
He's like, yeah, they're mine. Don't tell me they're mine.
Driving me nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're mine.
Good.
All right,
They're
that's the roux.
Roux.
mine.
And now we're just gonna add garlic.
Hey, Papa, what are you doing? Daddy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Once it heats up, it'll start thickening up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it only takes a second. Doesn't take long at all.
What are you doing, Daddy?
All right. That's the sauce. We'll bring you back.